Ever wondered why your competitors rank higher in search results? One of the key factors may be their backlink profile. Welcome to the world of backlink analysis, a crucial component in the realm of search engine optimization, or SEO for short. Now, you might be asking, what exactly is backlink analysis? Well, in simplest terms, it's the process of reviewing the links from other websites that lead back to your own. But it doesn't stop there. It's not just about counting the number of backlinks, but also about understanding the quality, relevance, and diversity of these links. Backlinks are like votes of confidence from other websites. They tell search engines like Google that your website is trustworthy and contains valuable content. The more high-quality backlinks you have, the higher your chances of ranking well in search results. But why is this important? Simply put, the higher you rank in search results, the more visibility you get. And the more visibility you get, the more traffic you're likely to attract to your website. And ultimately, more traffic could mean more conversions, be it sales, signups, or any other action you want your visitors to take. Now let's talk about the correlation between a website's backlink profile and its search engine ranking. Search engines, Google included, use complex algorithms to determine the ranking of a website. These algorithms consider various factors, and one of them is the quality and quantity of backlinks a website has. So if your competitor is outranking you, it might be because they have a better backlink profile. They could have more backlinks, better quality backlinks, or a combination of the two. That's why it's essential to conduct backlink analysis, not just on your website, but also on your competitors. Doing so can give you insights into what they're doing right, and how you can emulate or even surpass their success. Understanding the importance of backlink analysis is the first step towards a successful SEO strategy. So, don't underestimate the power of backlinks. They could very well be the key to unlocking your website's potential. Before diving into backlink analysis, we need to identify who our main competitors are. Why, you ask? Simply put, you can't strategize effectively if you don't know who you're up against. Identifying your competitors is like sizing up an opponent in a boxing ring. It provides you with a roadmap of what strategies they're using, what's working for them, and where their weak spots lie. Now, how do we go about this? There are two main approaches: using SEO tools or manual research. SEO tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs can provide you with a list of websites that rank for the same keywords as you do. This is a quick and efficient way to identify your competitors. On the other hand, manual research involves searching for your keywords on search engines and noting down the websites that appear in the top results. Knowing your competitors is crucial in order to understand their SEO strategies and outrank them. Now that we know our competitors, let's explore the tools that can help us analyze their backlink profiles. The world of SEO is brimming with tools designed to give us insights into our competitors' backlink profiles. Let's take a tour of some of the most popular ones. First up, we have Ahrefs, a powerhouse in the SEO world. Ahrefs gives us a comprehensive view of a site's backlink profile, showing us where the links are coming from, the anchor text being used, and even the quality of the links. It's like having a bird's eye view of your competitor's backlink landscape. Next, there's SEMrush, another heavyweight contender. SEMrush not only provides backlink analysis but also offers a suite of other SEO tools. One of its standout features is the Backlink Gap tool. This feature allows us to compare our backlink profile with that of our competitors, highlighting areas where we might be falling short. Then we have Moz, a tool that prides itself on its user-friendly interface and robust data. Moz's Link Explorer feature provides detailed insights into the backlink profile of any site, including the top link to pages, the anchor text of the links, and the spam score of the links. Lastly, let's not forget about Majestic, a tool that focuses solely on backlinks. Majestic's claim to fame is its trust flow and citation flow metrics, which give us an idea of the quality and quantity of a site's backlinks. These tools, while different in their offerings, all serve the same purpose: to provide us with a clear picture of our competitors' backlink profiles. By using these tools, we can glean insights into where our competitors are getting their links from, what type of content is attracting those links, and how we can potentially replicate their success. Remember, it's not about copying your competitors. It's about learning from them and finding ways to make your own SEO strategy more robust. With the right tools, backlink analysis can be a simple and straightforward process. Armed with the right tools, we are ready to delve into our competitors' backlink profiles. As we step into this crucial phase of backlink analysis, it's important to remember that we're not just counting links. We're diving deep to understand the strategy behind them. Let's begin by looking at the number of backlinks. A higher number of backlinks often signifies a more influential website, but don't be swayed by sheer volume alone. What really matters is the quality of these backlinks. Are they from reputable, high-traffic websites, or are they from low-quality, spammy domains? Remember, one high-quality backlink can outweigh 100 low-quality ones. Now let's turn our attention to the anchor text used in these backlinks. The anchor text, or the clickable text in a hyperlink, gives us clues about the targeted keywords. Are they using branded anchor text, such as their company name, or are they using generic or keyword-rich anchor text? This can reveal a lot about their keyword strategy. Next, consider the types of websites linking back to your competitors. Are they industry blogs, news sites, or forums, or perhaps directories and resource pages? The diversity and relevance of these linking domains can tell us a lot about their link-building strategy. It's also worth noting the geographical location of these backlink sources. Are they local, national, or international? A predominance of local backlinks might suggest a strong local SEO strategy. On the other hand, a wide range of international backlinks could indicate a more global reach. Finally, take a peek at the content surrounding the backlinks. Is it informative, engaging, and relevant to the anchor text and the target page? This can give us insights into their content strategy and audience engagement. Remember, the goal here isn't to copy their strategy, but to understand it, to see what's working for them, and how we can adapt and improve upon it for our own SEO strategy. Analyzing competitor backlinks gives us valuable insights into their SEO strategies. It's like being handed a roadmap to success, and it's up to us to navigate our journey. We've analyzed our competitors' backlink profiles. Now, what's next? Now that we've delved into the depths of our competitors' backlink strategies, it's time to leverage these insights to refine and bolster our own SEO strategy. Firstly, understanding the backlink profiles of your competitors can help you identify potential opportunities for your own link-building efforts. Look at where your competitors are getting their backlinks from. Are there any high-quality sites that you could potentially reach out to for a backlink? Are there any gaps in their strategy that you could exploit? These are all questions that you should be asking yourself in the process of leveraging backlink analysis for your SEO strategy. Secondly, this analysis can provide you with a roadmap to build high-quality backlinks. High-quality backlinks are the name of the game in SEO, and understanding where your competitors are getting theirs from can provide you with a blueprint of where to start. But remember, it's not just about quantity, the quality of your backlinks matters as well. So, focus on getting backlinks from high-authority sites that are relevant to your industry. This will enhance your credibility in the eyes of search engines and improve your search engine rankings. Moreover, this insight can also help you avoid the pitfalls that your competitors may have fallen into. Are there any low-quality or spammy sites in their backlink profile? If so, you'll know to steer clear of these sites in your own link-building efforts. Finally, by understanding the backlink strategies of your competitors, you can gain a more holistic view of the competitive landscape in your industry. This knowledge can inform your overall SEO strategy, helping you to prioritize your efforts and allocate resources more effectively. In essence, backlink analysis is not just about understanding what your competitors are doing, it's about learning from their successes and their mistakes, and using this knowledge to build a more robust and effective SEO strategy. By understanding our competitors' backlink strategies, we can build a more effective SEO strategy. So let's put these insights into action and work towards achieving a higher ranking on search engine results pages. Remember, in the world of SEO, knowledge is power. Let's use it wisely. Let's summarize what we've learned today. We started by understanding the importance of backlink analysis. It's not just about counting links, it's about gauging the quality, relevance, and diversity of those links. We then moved on to identifying our competitors. Knowing who you're up against is vital in any game, and SEO is no different. Next, we dived into the world of SEO tools, exploring how they can simplify and streamline the backlink analysis process. These tools can provide a wealth of data, but it's up to us to interpret and use that information effectively. We then looked at how to analyze competitor backlinks, learning to identify opportunities and threats. This analysis can provide valuable insights into their SEO strategies, allowing us to refine our own approach. Lastly, we discussed leveraging this information for our SEO strategy, turning insights into actions to drive our website's performance. With these insights, building an effective SEO strategy has never been easier. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to SEO.